Hey guys, I want to share something that I found pretty helpful when cutting penny tile. I've had to cut pretty much a straight edge. I'm doing a layout here for these verticals on the steps and the risers, and I've had to cut just I don't know, good couple hundred of these. And I found something that is super helpful when you're nipping, because sometimes you go to cut the edge and you'll notice that sometimes you'll snap the tile in half when you go to cut it in half, because you do need to snap it with some nippers. But I found something that is almost 99% guaranteed to work, and that's keeping it in the plastic with a cardboard backer. It really seems to help, and I've done this for, I don't know, after I started breaking things, I changed things up this morning, and I haven't had a problem since. And I've done, like I said, a good couple hundred of these, but basically just getting set up, and then making your breaks. But again, keeping it in that cardboard or in that plastic and the packaging, it totally seems to work perfect. So anyway, if you're doing penny tile and you're cutting stuff, I hope this is helpful. If like me, you have to make a couple hundred of these nips. You want to break as little as possible. So hopefully this will help you.